Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be working in my wellness planner. So that actually consists of two planners. One is a Mio planner and the second one is wellness. We're going to start with my Mio planner, and I am going to be using pressed florals as well as the stickers on our clear pages that came with in the pressed florals Be Happy box. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate, and if you are not subscribed already, please do so. That really makes me so happy when I see you guys subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. You are absolutely the best. So here we go. I'm gonna make this little garden in my Mio planner, and we are working with the week of September 5th through the 11th. Look how cute these are. I love these flowers. Like, it really reminds me of end of summer. All of these are like bright and bold and kind of fun to work with. So here we go. I'm gonna be adding quite a few of these throughout the planner, and I know the stems are not very visible when they are foiled, but when you put them in your planner they really are, so bear with me. Look how pretty this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Okay, I think that works. I'm gonna add that little tiny guy right there, and I'm gonna kind of fill in the rest of the spread really quick. I want to balance out the colors, so I'm making sure there's the same colors everywhere. I think I need like this blue one in here. Let's see. Yeah, that will bring that vibrant blue into this page. Let's see. I forgot how lovely this book really is, so I am trying to reuse some of my older books. Here we go. I'm gonna add some stickers throughout, some back stickers to bring in the colors up top, because I don't necessarily want to block my boxes with these flowers. They are quite large, so it'd be tricky to make sure everything's balanced like so. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in, and we can start Mio planning. So I'm gonna pull my cheat sheet from the back with all of my different recipes, and we'll go from there. Let's start with a breakfast. Monday is Labor Day, so I'm gonna make a bigger breakfast, like a breakfast skillet. I might be making quesadillas on Sunday or Monday for a couple days this week for us. So we probably will have Greek salads for lunch on Monday. I love this orzo salad that I make. It's called an orzo rainbow salad. I will probably bring some potato salad to work. Okay, dinner. Dinner is what is usually tricky for me, so let's see. Maybe couscous and chicken. Steak. Fajitas are always good. Lemon pepper chicken is one of my favorites. There's something about that taste that I just can't get enough. I will have a smoothie on Thursday, avocado toast on Friday. Eggs, bacon, usually have turkey bacon, and toast on Saturday, so more of a brunch. Apple cinnamon pancakes on Sunday. Those are always a good thing to do too. Pasta basil salad, I love those as well. So as you can see, we're definitely not a gluten-free house. Fried rice, creamy chicken, enchiladas, steak and peppers. I still yet to make this recipe. Sunday we're just gonna grill. And then let's see. Lunches on weekends are kind of tough because sometimes we sleep in, sometimes we don't, it depends. So I know Saturday we have something, so we're gonna be up. So salad with garden veggies, and then Sunday probably sleep in and make this into brunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this cheat sheet back in, and now we're gonna work on the wellness spread for the week. So I want to use the same sticker book for this. I think it looks kind of fun when they're the same book. And I think I want to do, let's see, maybe a little bit of like a rainbow situation. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the green. Let's see. So again, this is a wellness plan called Listen to Your Heart, and it is a classic size, and then we're doing the same week, so September 5th through the 11th in this planner. You guys get 2 plan with me's in one video on my wellness, because I use 2 planners and both of those things consist of my wellness. So yellow, orange, pink, and then I'm gonna have to find one more. This is lovely, isn't it? These colors are just so pretty. I'm gonna go back to blue and put that really pale blue up here, so almost like white. There we go. And now what I want to do is add like all of this lovely stuff to the bottom section in the same colors. So I'm gonna be adding blues to Monday and so on. I'm just gonna cover up the 2 little things up here, so I'm gonna use that and then we'll go from there. Okay, I'm looking for blue flowers first, and I found some. I'm gonna go ahead and add them to Monday's spread for a blue color. Then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to greens, and I'm gonna add all sorts of greenery in here. Don't be afraid to cut down your stickers. I do when they don't fit, so take a look. It's like you have 2 plants just be mindful of how you're cutting it to make sure that it looks okay. So there's green. Now I'm gonna add some purples. Well, I found yellows, so let's add those. I'm gonna go ahead and add this big yellow flower first and then put the other yellows around it. Yeah, I think that looks good. And now I still have to do purple, orange, pink. So let's do pink first, since it's right here. Yeah, I think that looks very, very cute. And now I'm gonna add purple, and I want like deep purples as well as lighter ones. Let's see. Yeah, one is like a purple and one's more like a violet, if that makes sense. And now I'm gonna add a little bit more of orange flowers in here and little ones to fill in. And I think that looks pretty good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and fill out the last box, and we'll do the sidebar and we'll be pretty much done. So let me know what you guys think about the spread. I know it's a little bit different. I'm gonna cut this too. Don't be afraid, like I said, to cut your stickers to make sure it fits your needs. I really like what this looks like, and I hope you guys do too. I'm gonna now make some bullet points really quickly. So on top, I track my sleep and my mood, and then in the middle, obviously nourish, so food, and then step and meds. And I'm gonna make some bullet points up here. So for during the meal is for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. Up top, obviously mood and sleep, and then medicine and steps. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then the bottom, and we are all done with the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit different. I still want to add something to the sidebar because it looks very empty, so I'm gonna see which sticker sorts of fits in there without taking away from the color. And because these are clear pages, I can go ahead and kind of try them on, which is fun. But what I decided to do instead is put this joy sticker, because I really like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down, the excess, and I think this looks pretty good. So we are good to go. Thanks for joining. I hope you guys had fun and have a great week. I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!